welcome to again my YouTube channel, guys. The ideal Furry Fishing, like the latest game available now. So I will be completely guide about this video and this game about. So please, I request you be carefully and watching this video because I explain you everything about this game, and this game like we also meted that about this game. So I hope you will be completely watching my video, and please request you don't to skip this video. If you want you complete to be this game meter depth and you want to your reward, so you will be completely watching this video, the end of watching this video. And let's start this video. I'm be starting now, and I hope you like and comments now on my YouTube channel video, and also to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. So let's start this video. You're checking now on this game like with 10,000 meter reach how to complete now, and I will be complete explain you. So let's start this video. Guys, you checking now I'm be download already this game, ideal fishing fury game. Everything is easily now, only I something explain you about this game, and don't to skip this game because completely I will be helping to you. Because when I'm be starting this game, first of all I'm be completely watching this game, then I will be explain you. So guys, everything so much easily now when I'm starting this game, so you will be what like do. So explain you something about this game. You're checking now I reach with many of fishes hunting now. Okay guys, when you will be starting this game, and you first of all you will be completely watching this game, and then you will be starting because are you checking on my coins. So this time like we little have coins because I want, I tell you, you will be more like be more fish you will be purchasing now. So I will be purchase one of these fish. You checking now 18 fish I will be purchasing. So like the little coin 230 coins I will be sorry, I 18 fish I will be purchasing now, and I give coins. So more game I will be show this easily everything. So just only I tell you, you completely watching that video, you will be everything understand now how to I'm be complete now this game. Checking now I will be receiving, and I will be purchasing more depth fish. Okay, you checking now. This time 23 fishes I have. You're checking now, sorry.
When I say Stepmaster can make
Because you're checking on this game, when you will be starting this game and you will be more on screen, so then you will be watching X5 video. Please I request you, X5 video more important for you. If you watching more like be, if you watching X5 video, so then you will be triple like be five, like be five triple type you will be get your coins. So also to be when you will be, first of all you will be earn more fishings, you will be purchasing now. You 24 fishes I will be purchasing, then you will be also to be offline earnings purchasing no more important for you. So you check like with 10 12 40 60 80 20 like minutes I will be purchasing. Maximum you will be 180 offline minutes you will be purchasing no more in like be benefit for you. X5 don't skip ads because just only one ads watching now, and you will be triple type coins earn now. Okay, so this tab restricts now, and I will be again explain you something. Sorry guys, like with my mobile hanging now. This is my game, and if I watching X5 ads video, so more uncoins, so you don't to skip this video, and I will be explain you something. You will guys more to a maximum like be 100 to 18 fishes you will be purchasing no more fish, and also to be 180 minutes offline purchasing now, and then you will be easily completed to be your reward. I hope you will be enjoy my video, and thank you so much for you watching my video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for you support me and like my videos.